Missing his line there, wide signalled. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Very good running between the wickets. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Excellent running between the wickets. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Spinner brought back from the other end. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Turned away for a single. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? That's an excellent throw. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up. Batsman losing his concentration there. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Turned away for a single. Now how close is that one? Decision goes to the third umpire. And yes, he gets his man. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. That was a fantastic piece of bowling. Directed. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm.
We can go.
Exceptional. What a catch. Full marks for the catch. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. My God, this looked impossible until he took it. Incredible effort by the fielder. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Tight lines, solid in defense. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Good length, and he covers up in defense. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Turned away for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Very good running between the wickets. Oh, he's thrown it wide. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball.